brand is expanding the storytelling of its Chinese mythology-inspired Xuan Wu sneakers with the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Low release. Following the earlier limited high OG edition, the low-top version retains the same cultural narrative tied to the legendary Black Tortoise while offering a more versatile silhouette. Premium black leather forms the base, with tonal swooshes, embossed teal overlays of clouds and tortoise motifs, and sharp wings logos maintaining the mysterious aesthetic. Metallic gold accents appear on lace tips and tongue branding, giving subtle contrast. Completing the design, a gum rubber outsole echoes the original high OG version, featuring intricate detailing visible beneath. The pair also comes in special edition black packaging highlighted by gold Nike branding to reinforce its premium feel. While the official launch date remains unconfirmed, the Air Jordan 1 Low Xuan Wu is set to drop soon through Nike China and select retailers.